About is the My Account page. So over here under the All Pages, here is the My Account page, and this was created automatically when you installed WooCommerce. So every customer on your website will have their own My Account page where they can access their orders, they can update all their information. For example, right here, they can view the actual transaction. So we did buy something for $164, so it appears right here, and they can view that. They can also update their address right here within their accounts. And then also they can update their payment methods right here in their account as well. Now, in order for a customer to log into the account, all they have to do is go ahead and click on this right here, and then they can go ahead and log in and log out. There's also third-party plugins with WordPress that makes it really easy for them to log in using social login. Now, many of the emails from your customers and your website will probably not be working. So I do recommend to actually watch this video here. This video right here will show you how to fix all the email problems with WooCommerce. So if you are brand new to WooCommerce, the emails probably will not be sent to your customers. So this video is a must watch. It's a completely free plugin. All you got to do is change some SMTP settings and you'll be good to go. So I do recommend to watch this video in order to make the emails work for your e-commerce store. And congratulations, party people, you have successfully made an e-commerce website. All right, party people, congratulations on your e-commerce website. If you have any questions for me about anything that we talked about, let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to get to all of your comments. My name is Daryl Wilson and I will see all of you party people in the next video. Take care.